Hi, this is Amy Romeo from the jewelry and craft making blog amyromeo.com, and on this channel I share fun and easy jewelry making and crafting tutorials. If you're new to making earrings with your Cricut or your Silhouette, you might be having the problem where once you attach your earring hooks, your earrings are hanging sideways like this. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy technique to make sure that your earrings always hang straight for a very finished and professional look. So if you're ready to jump in, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell button to be notified when I post new videos, and let's get started. Let me first show you what I mean by this problem of how to get your faux leather earrings to hang straight. If you have a pair of faux leather earrings that you've cut with your Cricut or your Silhouette, and you take the earring hook out of the package and you use a jump ring to connect the earring hook to the faux leather earring, this is what it looks like. And that looks fine when it's laying flat, but the problem is when the wearer puts the earring hook in their ear, this part of the earring will hang sideways, which is not what you want. So what we need to do is have the orientation like this, where the earring hook is facing this way with the jump ring, and then this way the earring will hang straight when it's in the ear. So let me show you how to do that. And it's a very simple matter of changing the direction of the earring hook loop. So this is how the earring hooks come when you buy them in the store and they come in the package. And all I'm going to do is take my flat nose pliers and twist this bottom loop 90 degrees so that it goes sideways. Very simple thing to do. And to do this, I use my flat nose pliers. Let me see if I can show you this. Oh, there we go. With my thumb and my forefinger, I'm going to firmly grip the hook, and with my flat nose pliers, I'm going to firmly grip the loop. And all I'm going to do is twist. So now, instead of the earring hook loop facing this way, now it faces sideways. Isn't that an easy trick? Now I do get a lot of comments, and people will tell me that their hook breaks when they try and do this twist maneuver. And there's two things to consider when that happens. The first is you might be using substandard quality earring hooks. Earring hook wire is not made to twist a lot or be under a lot of stress. So it might just be a simple matter of trying out a different brand of earring hooks or a different gauge or thickness of earring hook wire. So that would be the first place to start. The second thing to consider is when I'm doing this, I am using my thumb and my forefinger to cover as much of the hook as possible and firmly hold it in my fingers. That helps keep this secure and not let the loop wobble around too much. When I'm using my pliers on this side, I'm also very firmly holding. So really, this part of the earring hook should not be moving when I'm twisting the loop. So that would be my second suggestion as far as that goes. So quickly, I'll just show you, once you have your earring hook loop facing this way, it's very easy to open up a jump ring. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I like to use two pair of pliers when I'm opening and closing my jump rings. I put one pair of pliers on each side of the loop and twist open. Slide on my faux leather earring design, and then put on the earring hook and twist again to close up the jump ring. So just by twisting this very small earring loop here, now your earrings will hang straight. And also, this is a pattern that I have on my blog. I wrote an earring post about how to make these earrings out of faux leather. These are actually 3 layers, which is kind of cool. There's a layer of faux leather on the back, a layer of faux leather on the front, which is cut out to reveal the middle layer of glitter. So if you're interested in watching the tutorial on how to make these earrings and also to get the earring cut file for this pattern, I'll link to my blog post in the description box below. Finally, I wanted to show you If you've made your faux leather earrings with your Silhouette or your Cricut and you just don't want to mess around with jewelry making tools, you can use what's called a ball ear wire hook. This is a little earring hook that doesn't require tools. I got these at Hobby Lobby, but you could get them any craft store or any jewelry supply. 14 by 27 millimeter ear wire with ball. There are 12 pieces in the package, and I'll just show you quickly how these work. You just slide your earring design on the hook and pull down. And there you have an earring that will hang straight without using tools. I hope you found that tip helpful. If you're new to making earrings, then you may also want to check out my video on 4 different ways to put a back on faux leather earrings. That also helps make your earrings look more finished and professional. Finally, if you're ready to take a deep dive into making earrings with a Cricut, you may want to check out my book, Cricut Earrings Made Easy. I'll link to it in the description box below for you. It's full of tips, tricks, tutorials, and 12 of my best-selling earring cut files for you to get started making earrings. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.